Welcome to my channel, Margaret Joki Mugo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa. Welcome to African Village Life, African Village Food. Today we are cooking most delicious traditional food for lunch in the poor villages of Kenya, Africa. If you are new to my channel, welcome back again. Remember to subscribe, hit the bell so that you will be notified when a new video is up. Wow, those are cow intestine matumbo in our village. Wow, remember we are cooking most delicious and appetizing food for lunch in our village. Wow, we start by cutting the matumbo into pieces. Then we boil them for some minutes. We boil for 30 minutes. Then we continue with cooking. Remember, in the village, we use 3 stones for cooking. We use firewood. Our sufurias and pans are black in color outside. Remember, we store the water in a pot. Wow. While the matumbo are boiling in the other side, we will continue with peeling bananas. Our recipe today: bananas, matumbo, tomatoes, onions, coriander, dania, pilipili hoho, onions, and oil. Remember, we are preparing food for lunch. Thank you for your continued support. We have reached 1,000 subscribers. The remaining is 4,000 watch hours. Kindly, I'm requesting you to watch my videos, my long videos, my short videos, so that we can reach 4,000 hours. Wow, remember, I'm not good in English, but I'm trying my best. Wow, remember, I'm a new YouTuber. I will try to do my best. Wow, those are matumbo boiling. Those are bananas ready to be cooked. Wow, kindly subscribe, share, like and comment. Wow, thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for your subscribers. For the returning viewers, thank you so much. Wow, we start by cutting onions into pieces, tomatoes into pieces, coriander into pieces, and the hoho we cut into pieces. Remember, we cut our recipe manually in the village. In the village, we don't have gadgets. Wow. Remember, in the village, when a girl is young, she is taught how to cook by a mom or by a grandma. So I have my girl here. She is the one who likes to know how to cook. Wow. She is eagerly copying what I'm doing. Those are her hoho. Wow. We will fry our onions until they are golden brown. You want onions? Wow, after the onions are brown, we had our tomatoes first. Wow, we are cooking together with my daughter. Easy. We had our shika ukoroge. Koroga na mimi kitengeneza moto. Koroga kabisa. Wow, then we have our matubo. Let me know in the comment section how do you call matubo in your language or in your country. In Kenya, we call them matubo. Remember, we are Hebrews. We have to cover the sufuria with another sufuria. Then after some minutes, we will add our boiled matubo. We will add our bananas. The food is so delicious and yummy. Thank you for your continued support. Let's cook together. Let us enjoy cooking together. Salt. We will add some salt. Then we will add the food from matubo and some water respectively. Let me know in the comment section how do you call this food in your country, We run the soup from the matubo and then add more water. Then we shall boil the food for 30 minutes and add coriander respectively. Then the food will be ready to be served. Wow, the food is still boiling. This is natural. Those are sugar cane. Wow, villager life is good. Those are our clothes in the hanging lines. Oh, the food is ready. Let's serve the food together and we enjoy. Wow, yummy. Wow, the soup is so interesting. Wow, the food is so good. Wow. Let me know in the comment section the next episode. What would you like me to cook? Wow. Remember, our channel is based on village life, nature, and entertaining. Wow. The food is ready for lunch. Thank you for watching my channel. Let us enjoy the food together. Yummy. Wow. We shall serve our kids first, then others. Let us enjoy the food together. The soup is so good. Wow. Wow. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you so much. Let us meet in the next episode. Bye bye. Remember, I am Margaret Joki Mugo from Embu County, Kenya, Africa.